Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter oat cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Also, grab 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 cups of old-fashioned oats, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the peanut butter, softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and oats. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. It's time to form and bake these delicious cookies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a tablespoon, scoop rounded portions of dough and place them about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Take a fork and gently flatten each cookie, creating that classic crosshatch pattern. Bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. They will be soft in the center, which is perfect. Almost ready to enjoy your hard work. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, store them in an airtight container to maintain their freshness for up to 3 days. Now, grab a glass of milk and savor your delicious homemade peanut butter oat cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.